Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. Permission, requests, etc. We can ask for permission with can, could, more formal or polite, or may, very formal, less common. Can I ask you a question? Could I look at your newspaper? May I sit here? Can and may can also be used to offer to do things for people. Can I get you a drink? May I help you, sir? Ask for permission with can, could, or may. For example, talk to you for a minute. Can I talk to you for a minute? Next, leave early. May I leave early? Next, use your phone. Could I use your phone? Next, stop work now. May I start work now? Next, pay you tomorrow. Could I pay you tomorrow? Next, speak to Jane. Could I speak to Jane? Next, have a beer. Can I have a beer? Next, hang up your coat. May I hang up your coat? Next, do your shopping. Can I do your shopping? We can give or refuse permission with can't, cannot, or may not. You can use my car if you want to. Visitors may park in Elm Road. I'm sorry, you can't come in here. Visitors may not park in front of the hospital. Give or refuse permission using the words in the box. Come into, have, make, park, write, use. For example, you/here can. You can park here. Next, students/this lift may not. Students may not use this lift. Next, you/these tickets may. You may have these tickets. Next, nobody/my horse can. Nobody can ride my horse. Next, you/my room can't. You can't come into my room. Next, employees/personal phone calls may not. Employees may not make personal phone calls. We can use can and could to ask people to do things. Can you put the children to bed? Could you help me for a few minutes? Now, make sentences using the words in the box. Luggage, supper, the dogs, the TV, this letter, time to go. For example, could/tonight/you/cook/ question mark. Could you cook supper tonight? Next, translate/can/for me/you/question mark. Can you translate this letter for me? Next, you/feed/could/question mark. Could you feed the dogs? Next, can/it's/you/tell me/when/question mark. Can you tell me when it's time to go? Next, watch/you/for a minute/could/my/question mark. Could you watch my luggage for a minute? Next, switch on/you/can/ Question mark. Can you switch on the TV? Could you possibly? And I wonder if you could, are very polite. Could you possibly help me? I wonder if you could give me some advice. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.